Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let us discuss a IIT bit. So here is the question for us. If 1 plus sine square theta is equal to 3 sine theta cos theta, then the solution in 0 comma pi by 2 is. So if 1 plus sine square theta is equal to 3 sine theta cos theta, then the solution in 0 comma pi by 2 is what he is asking. Okay, so let us start our problem. So first the given one is 1 plus sine square theta is equal to 3 sine theta cos theta. 3 sine theta cos theta. So here we are having the two trigonometric ratios, that is sine and cos. But I want to change this one to one trigonometric ratio. So what I will do is I will divide these both sides, this one and this one, these both sides with cos square theta. Okay, so divide divide both equations, sorry, both sides with cos square theta, cos square theta. Okay, then it will become 1 by cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta is equal to is equal to 3 sin theta into cos theta by cos square theta. Cos square theta, no square, and here cos theta will be cancelled. So then what will be remained here? 1 plus cos square theta means secant square theta plus tan square theta is equal to 3 tan theta, is equal to 3 tan theta. Okay, secant square theta plus tan square theta is equal to 3 tan theta we will get. But if you look here, this is also having the two trigonometric ratios. This one is also having two trigonometric ratios, that is secant and tan. So now what I need to do? Yeah, I got it. Here secant square theta plus tan square theta is equal to 3 tan theta. So here I will change by identity secant square theta as 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, I think you all know this one. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So according to that, secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so remember this one. Yeah, I think, I hope you all know this one. But in case if you don't know, I am saying this one. Okay, now what we got, I am changing here 1 plus tan square theta as secant square, and I will keep the tan square theta as same. Tan square theta is equal to 3 tan theta. Oh, 3 tan theta. 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta is equal to 3 tan theta. Now here if you observe, you bring this one to this side, you bring this 3 tan theta to this side. If you bring, it will become 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta plus, sorry, here minus 3 tan theta, 3 tan theta is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Okay, now this one 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta, it is there. So I will write this one as 2 tan square theta, sorry, I will write this one as 2 tan square theta minus 3 tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So now what you do here is you can do here factorization. You can do here factorization. So if you do the factorization, then you will get 2 tan square theta minus 3 tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So this one, the like this it is there, no? So now what you will do is here I am saying how to do it. Do the factorization. First we are having 2 tan square theta plus minus 2 tan square theta 2 tan square theta minus 3 tan theta plus 1 equivalent to 0 we have. Okay, so this one how we will write is how we will write this one means, so this one, so if you here 3 and 1 here, uh, so if you multiply, that means A into C, if you do, you should get this one 1, and if you subtract or add, you should get the middle term. Okay, if you subtract or add, you should get the middle term. So remember the second one, if you subtract or add, you should get the second term, means this one, the middle term we have to get. In 10th class, you know it as splitting middle term. Okay, so that one only I am doing here now. 2 tan square theta 2 tan square theta minus 2 tan theta minus tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So you observe here it is minus and minus. So what you will get if you add this one? So you will get minus 3 tan theta. Okay, if you product it minus 2 tan theta into tan theta, what you will get? This one you will get as 2 tan square theta. Okay, so in this way you have to do factorization. I hope you people know this one. Now let us move a step further. 2 tan square theta, so here take 2 tan theta common. 2 tan theta common. Now it will remain tan theta minus 1, here minus take common, then here it will remain tan theta minus 1. Okay, so this will be remained. Now here how it is, now what is possible by factorization? So 2 tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0, or 2 tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0, or it is possible when tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. It is possible in these both cases. Okay, it is possible in these both cases. Now here first I am changing this one. So 2 tan theta is equal to 1 we will get. 2 tan theta is equal to 1 we will get. Tan theta is equal to 1 by 2 we will get. 1 by 2 we will get here. Now tan theta is equal to 1. So you transmit this side. So this one also first I transmitted this side, and after here 2 is there, I divided. Now tan theta is equal to 1 we will get. 1 means it lies in pi by 4. Pi by 4. So here pi means pi is equal to 180. You take 180 divided by 4. So 445 are, it will go 180 times. So that one we will get. So 45 degrees means 180. And here in first case tan theta is possible when it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. But we don't know where it lies. But we don't know where does it lie. So what you can write here? Here you can write tan theta inverse of 1 by 2, and here and tan theta possible if it is pi by 4. So this is the solution for this question. So it will be helpful for IIT people. So in few things you can get this one. So thanks for so in few exams you can get this one. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, do, share and subscribe to my channel.